6 minus 6 times 6 minus 6. Someone might come to this and say 6 minus 6 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Multiply 0 times 0 and we get 0. But that will be incorrect. Let's try that again. Now before we solve this equation, we have to understand our order of operations, PEMDAS. P tells us that we focus on parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and adding and subtracting. So in this problem, we have to start here with the multiplication, negative 6 times 6. And that will give us a negative 36. We'll bring down the rest of the problem, the 6 here and the 6 here as well. Now in the order of operations, we only have subtraction left, but we have to know that we start here on the left side and move to the right side. So if we would do this first, we could get the problem wrong. So we want to start here with this subtraction, 6 minus 36, which is going to give us negative 30. We'll bring down the rest of that problem. And we'll finish with negative 30 minus 6, which is going to give us negative 36. The answer to our equation today, negative 36.